forth, but let's try to go put some fur on the ground, eh? So, I called one in, first in. As you can tell, he came in the back door, couldn't get a film on it. Shot him at 30 yards. We were planning to call all this, but he came up right behind us. Pretty decent male. I accidentally gave him a lobotomy, but that's okay. Oh, it's a good sized coyote. Heck yeah, let's go get another one. We just doubled, baby! Hit that sucker again. Like that? Let's go! Let's go! Here, let's... Holy poop nugget! Got one down. Nice little female. Let's go. Doubled up. Got another dog over here. Let's go. How'd this stand go? What happened?
Well, originally had one come sprinting in while we were getting set up on that one. Another one came sprinting in right behind it. Came perfectly to the call. Everything just like a dream.
That Foxborough X24 is absolutely no joke. We've been calling them in left and right. So let's keep stacking fur, baby.
Watch out. Hopefully it bites your hand.
Oh yeah, you did it. Another big old male on the day. Gorgeous furred up dog. This is the first one we saw come in. And that other one came in hauling butt right behind it. This guy came up right here to this tree, and I was like, I'm gonna take him right here, and I look over, there's another dog standing 60 yards from the call. I was like, Mooks, you shoot that one, and I'll just go off you. Boom, done. Couldn't have written it up better. Gotta love it. Another big old Northern Arizona male.
Why can they never be where my stupid sticks are?
Oh, another one running way out.
That's nice. to whap.
But I didn't see it run.
Oh yeah.
Another big old male.
Big male. Let's go. Let's go.
Heck yeah.
Dude.
We were sitting there and looking at this big open, like, oh, they're gonna come from up here. I look right past him, there's a coyote standing next to him. I could barely get the camera. That shot video, it's barely in there. You can see it, kinda.
Hey, come on.
Hey, but he smoked it.
That don't get much better
Hey,
right
the
there.
X24 is killing it some more. Let's go keep stacking fur, baby.
He's gonna get all the way up here. The 360's not working.
Whoop! Oh, sure, another one. Oh, just over,
Right
his
over
head.
it. So focused on that one. That thing couldn't have gotten any closer.
Dude, it wasn't working. The 360. Younger male, I think. Yep, a young male. Sweet. Heck yeah. Guess I put it in the back of his head on accident.
Nice work.
Heck yeah.
Well, we just got our 6th dog of the day, another young male. We got the Crux Pro X24 out here, absolutely crushing it today. We actually got a GoPro 360 set up on the call, and this thing came in and just hammered it. So hopefully we get that video uploaded.
Let's go, baby! Out here, we are absolutely hammering them. Up here in northern Arizona, it is tough calling in dogs, but today we are slaughtering. We are at 6 in the truck, called in a total of 9. One of them doesn't count, it's all his ears. But yeah, we're slaughtering them, keep going, and it's only 2 o'clock. Are you kidding me? Let's keep going. Let's go get some more, baby. Oh, a little tiny male. A little baby male. But hey, we'll take it, add it to the truck. Number 7 of the day. So we're gonna get a video of it. We're just sitting here, I was scrolling through the camera like an idiot. Look up and this guy's sitting here, so number 7 of the day, heck yeah, let's keep adding to the truck. Absolutely phenomenal day out there today. Haven't had a day like that ever in northern Arizona, let alone hunting coyotes. I've been doing it for 10 years. That was awesome. Oh, that's why I keep coming back. That's why I love it. 7 dogs, absolutely ridiculous, and 1 double. Can't complain about that. Sorry we missed a couple of shots, and the shots sometimes filmed weren't clean, but hey, we're learning. We're trying to figure it out, so come along with us and join the journey with us, and like and subscribe.